A few weeks ago, I saw this ad on Facebook Marketplace for a Dinan free-flow axle-back exhaust for $200. I kept thinking that it was too good to be true. Brand new, the Dinan free-flow axle-back exhaust sells for almost $1,200. But yet, here it was on Marketplace for sale, about 2 hours north of Atlanta, for what could be a bargain. After skeptically contacting the seller, I agreed to drive to meet him in South Carolina. To my utter surprise, it turned out to be all real. The item was as described. It was a brand new Dinan exhaust system for the BMW F10 535i that had never been installed for the amazing price of $200. I wasted absolutely no time in getting the exhaust system installed on my 2016 BMW 535i. This is a cold start of the stock exhaust on my 2016 BMW 535i. This is a cold start of the Dinan free-flow axle-back exhaust on my 2016 BMW 535i. This is what the Dinan free-flow axle-back exhaust sounds like when revved to 3,000 RPMs. Which exhaust do you prefer? The stock exhaust or the Dinan free-flow axle-back exhaust? Let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a like if you found it useful and consider subscribing for more content like this. Thanks for watching.